Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom Through Lens. I know I'm not able to keep up with the videos lately, and trust me, it's quite a busy week. My in-laws have shifted here, and the whole family was busy in setting the house. I'll take you through the tour some other day, but as of now, the reason I have shown up today is because it's a special day for me and my husband. It's our anniversary, and yes, I'll take you through the day how it went on, and I hope you will like it.
It's been 8 years to our marriage, and for us, anniversary is all about good times and good food together. We try our best to spend our special days with our family members, and this year I was with my parents as well as my in laws. So I did try my best to make the day a fruitful one. In the menu today was gobi masala and jeera rice. For jeera rice, I take a fresh clean cloth and tie a generous amount of jeera with the cloth tightly. Make sure you make the knot tight so that it doesn't loosen and it doesn't spread in the rice. This is how I tie it. I will tie one more knot just to be on a safer side. And now I will put the potli in the boiling rice where I have already added salt in the rice while cooking and let it simmer for few more minutes. Doing so, the rice will absorb the flavors of the jeera. You can also add the potli while the water starts boiling before adding the rice too. And then I do add the tadka of jeera and ghee. You can also use some cashews if you want. Give it a good stir and the jeera rice is ready. Make sure you mix the rice very carefully so that the rice doesn't break. The next in the menu was gobi masala. So here I have taken one large onion chopped and I have added salt just to avoid the burning of onions. Once they are golden brown, I do add ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon. Haldi powder, red chili powder and Maggi masala are the ingredients of the gobi masala that I prepare. So here I will add a little water and keep cooking until it leaves all the oil. Now it's time to add the tomatoes and cook for a few more minutes until the tomatoes get cooked properly. Once done, I have added stir-fried gobis and the potatoes and have given a good mix. Time to have the lunch, and the plate is adorned with jeera rice, gobi masala and paneer mushroom that were ordered from Zomato. And here they have arrived and we are having our lunch together. बर्थडे और एनिवर्सरी पे केक नहीं काटा तो क्या किया? Yes, thanks to my brother who arranged this cake, and we had a good time. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law were missing because they had some personal affairs to attend, and so they were out of town. But yes, they tasted the cake once they were back. And now we were heading towards Gopalpur beach. Berhampur is not as big as Bangalore, and the people here find joy in simple things, and they value the relationships and the things that are around. So I'm glad I managed my day with my family members and had a very nice time with them. So yes, but tomorrow we had some other plans, and I'll take you through as we go further.
Hey guys, so it's 6th of December, and as you all know, yesterday we celebrated our anniversary, and I came back to my mom's place yesterday night, and today we are heading towards Bhubaneswar, and the real fun is for today. So stay tuned to see as we go further. Bye.
Thank you for gifting me this beautiful dress, Mr. Husband. This suit was from W store, and the chunni was separate. I prepped my skin by applying moisturizer from Nivea, which is Berry Blossom. And then I applied the primer from Insight, and it is oil free and I'm loving it. I've been using this primer quite a while, and I'm loving the longevity and the coverage that it gives. And then I have applied Lakme's 925 Weightless Mouse Foundation, which is in beige caramel. And with the help of a sponge, I have tried to blend the makeup. Next on my list is Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Powder to set the makeup, and it's in ivory shade. Then I have used the eyeshadow palette from Revolution. This was gifted by my sister-in-law on one of my birthdays. So I'm loving the pigments, and it is giving a good shape to my eyes. This has been my all-time favorite Lakme liquid liner, and I have been using it since I passed my college. I love the flow and the ease of use. And then I have used the Faces Canada Brow Kit to give a shape to my eyebrows. And yes, the lips need a good shade. So this was gifted by my brother, and he got it from Australia. With the help of the brush, I will set my makeup. And the final touch with the earrings and the sindoor. So this is how I look. I hope you like the look, and yes, if you have any suggestions, please leave it on my comment box. I will try to improvise my makeup skills. And yes, I have not used any contours or highlights. I do just basic makeup. So I hope you like this makeup. So this was our destination, and this was the real excitement that we were waiting for. We dined out after nearly 8 months, so only thing in our mind was food. And yes, I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more such updates, and see you soon. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.